Welcome to the Clipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change page background on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word. After that open up any document. Now from here just click on Design tab option, and at the top right corner you can find page background option. Here you can see three options: watermark, page color and page borders. Suppose if you want to change your page background color, just click on page color option. From here you can choose any color as you like. If I select it, and you can see page background color has been changed successfully. Also if you want to add watermark, just click here. From here choose any option. If I select it, and that's it. You can see watermark has been added successfully. If you want to change your watermark text, just click here and then click on more, and then click on custom watermark and then type any text and then click on OK, and that's it. And that is how you can change page background on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.